All right, guys, welcome back. Today on the Cybertruck, we're going to install side steps on here and obviously on the other side. I have these new side steps here, one for each side. We have 5 brackets and some hardware. The side steps are extremely easy to install. I figured I'd make a little video of it. The Cybertruck has 5 threaded holes all underneath this side skirt here. We're going to install each of these 5 brackets onto the truck, and then afterwards we'll install the side step on top, tighten down all the hardware, and we'll be done to do the other side. So these are the holes here. Again, we have 5 of them. I'm going to start. All brackets are identical to each other. This one sits at an angle, but it's just the same bracket. And here's a better view of the rear. All right, so all brackets are in place. I only finger tight the bolts, so we do have some play on them to shift around if needed until the side step is on top, and then we could align all the hardware for the side step. And once all the hardware is in, then we'll go with my impact gun and tighten everything up. All right, and it's that simple. 5 brackets, 3 bolts per bracket, 13mm socket with an impact gun makes your life easier. So now these side steps were sent to me by EV Base, and I do especially like these because most of the side steps available on the market, they kind of have they have a pattern in them that kind of makes it too busy. And considering that the truck is a very minimalist truck, and then you have side steps that are just maximalist, it doesn't really flow with the truck. But these are very minimalist. So that's aesthetically my reason. But functionally is also, if you notice, these little cutouts here are very minimal. So if you're wearing heels trying to get into this car and you have the other side steps that have the huge cutouts or the grooves or whatever, the heels are going to get stuck into the grooves. These, they won't get stuck. So functionally and aesthetically, they were perfect for what I wanted. Another function for these side steps, I have 37-inch tires with the lifting links, so it brings up the truck quite a bit. So getting in and out of the truck, being that this is higher than your standard Cybertruck, the side steps just make it easier. Also, these wheels have a lower offset than normal, so they stick out quite a bit. So if you have tire shine, or if it's raining out, if you run over a puddle or mud, these tires that are sticking out are going to kick mud all over the side of the truck, which is very frustrating. But these side steps do offer some protection from kicking up mud. And this is going to be the case with any side step. But definitely check these guys out. Again, the company's called EV Base. They sent these out to me for an install video. I'll be attaching an affiliate link down in the description below. You can click, check them out. They have a ton of parts for Cybertruck. So now for the other side, it's the same exact method. 5 brackets go on with the side steps. And that's going to be it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys.